Hi, Honda lovers. Today we'll dive into an interesting topic that will amaze you. Let me tell you about the Suzuki Thunder 125, a motorbike that has surprising specifications and facts that you might not know. So, buckle up and let's get started. Starting with the engine, the Suzuki Thunder 125 is a powerhouse. It comes with a 125cc, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine that produces a maximum power of 12.5 horsepower and a peak torque of 12.4 newton-meters. That's more than enough to get you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.5 seconds. But wait, there's more. The Thunder 125 isn't just about power. Fuel efficiency is also impressive, with running costs of just 3.7 L100 km. This means you can cover long distances without worrying about running out of fuel. Now, let's talk about the design. The Suzuki Thunder 125 offers a sleek and modern design with high-quality construction. LED headlights and turn signal indicators ensure you are always visible on the road. Stylish side stands make it easy to maintain perfect posture while riding. The handling of the Thunder 125 is another aspect you cannot ignore. With a lightweight frame and responsive suspension, this motorbike provides the agile and comfortable riding experience you desire. Plus, with the 7-speed gearbox, you can easily navigate traffic and make quick turns without any hassle. And don't forget about safety. Suzuki Thunder 125 comes with important features like LED lights, horn, and adjustable windshield for added protection. It also has front disc brakes and dual front airbags for added safety. So what are you waiting for? Try the Suzuki Thunder 125 and experience its extraordinary features and specifications for yourself. Remember, safe bike riding is one of the best decisions you can make. That's all for today, friends. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts. See you next time.